Unfortunately, this big Cereus peruvianus has a branch that was kind of facing a different direction, hard to see. It is covered in disgusting scale. Absolutely, absolutely disgusting. And I try to treat it, briefly with some Castile soap. I don't even know if this stuff is alive or dead, but I mean, I don't want this near my collection. Plenty of the plant is doing fine. I really think we should just cut this out because that's the worst one. I mean, I'm over here with like spray bottle, Castile soap, hosing it down after giving it some time to work, but I don't even want to do this. This is awful. It's it's like foul how disgusting it is. So let me think about this. So you can see it comes off, like it wipes off, but I really don't want to fool with this. Meh. It doesn't look active. Like if you smash bugs, they bleed, and these are still, a type of bug. And normally, like there'd be some like orange or yellow like residue coming off with them. Ugh. Man, this is gonna be some work. All right, I think I'm gonna try and wipe it down, give it one more chance. But if I see anything like this coming back, I'm chopping it. Okay, y'all are gonna help. Look. Ugh, so gross. So this is not a one-time job. You have to keep coming back and checking on it. And again, I'm using just some plain Castile soap. It's like HEB brand because Dr. Bronner's is a lot more expensive. Dilute it in some water. I'm just reusing this bottle. I see a snail down in there too. Like let's make things even more fun. Okay, let that sit for a bit and then try and hose more of it off and then wipe it down some more. Dude. Alright. Alright, we'll check back again over the next few days, see if it looks like anything's coming back. It's hot here still, so I can't use anything too extreme. Nothing oil-based, hence using the plant-based liquid soap diluted with water on repeat, and then giving a nice blast with the hose. That's all I got, man. Hang in there.